Hey guys, it's John. I'm on my way to a mobile call, Toyota Sequoia 2004 for an alternator and a headlight change on the front headlight. This is one of my first videos, so I'm trying to see how it goes. It's got a funny squeal in the motor. I thought it was the serpentine belt, it wasn't. It's actually the alternator making the noise. It's coming out of the bearing of the alternator. I'm on my way there now, and I'll show you how it goes.